My name is Michael Chapnick, and I'm a Florida Community Association attorney and the creator of CollectionsMasterPro. CollectionsMasterPro is a comprehensive system for the management of community association assessment collection and lien foreclosure actions. It automates the generation of collection letters, foreclosure packages, automates the preparation of estoppel letters, and it calculates your interest. It digitizes your files and puts everything you need to manage those files literally right at your fingertips. It eliminates the need to prepare client status reports because they're available to your clients in real time whenever they want. It tracks internal productivity and allows you to remotely access your files so that you can expand your personnel without expanding your physical space. It allows you to create forms on the fly whenever you find the need to, and so much more. CollectionsMasterPro is the result of 5 years of use, refining, and consultation with property managers, board members, and accounts receivable personnel. It was never created to sell. It came about because I was a sole practitioner, and I needed to find a way to speed up processes and track information so that collections and foreclosures work could get out in a timely manner. So it started out as a simple mail merge database program, grew in features and functions, became web-based, and finally culminated in the system you're about to see. Thank you for allowing me to show it to you. I hope you enjoy it. Let's begin by entering a new collection matter into the system. We've just received a new account ledger from the Seascape Homeowners Association's management company. So the first thing we need to do is to locate that association in our system. We do this by going to the Search tab at the top of the page. From there, we can search by unit owner name, association name, manager name, or address. In this case, let's search by association name. Now that we've found the association, let's go to the Manage Unit Owners tab. From here, we can not only add a new unit owner, but we can see a summary view of all of the unit owners in collection for this association. Our new unit owner's name is John Smith. Let's enter his name, unit address, mailing address, the assessment amount, and information on when the assessment is due. We'll also enter the association's declaration name and the association's client identification number, which is an alphanumeric number, which is assigned by the association for its own internal record keeping. Once the information is entered, click on the Add Unit Owner button, and then go down to Mr. Smith's record and click on View. Now that we've entered Mr. Smith into the system, we need to create a new collection event for him. We do this by clicking on the Add New Collection Event hyperlink, and then adding the pertinent information here. Let's do that now. And then press the Add a New Collection Event button when finished. Before we're ready to send out Mr. Smith's letter, there are 2 additional things we want to accomplish. First, we want to upload a copy of the association's ledger to Mr. Smith's online file. And second, we want to input the individual ledger entries into the system's integrated ledger. Let's start with the documents. Click on Add Docs, and here we'll enter the document name, the document date, the document file name, and then click on Add Document. And there's a copy of Mr. Smith's ledger right at your fingertips. Next, let's enter the ledger data into the system. Now that all of the information is entered, we're ready to send out our letter. Let's go ahead and do that. Go to the top of the page, click on the Documents tab, enter your certified mail receipt number here, enter legal fees here, and then click the Print button. And then let's view our letter. Notice that a copy of the system-generated ledger is included with the letter so that the unit owner has exactly the same information that you do. Let's also print a copy of our envelope. Easy as that. So we've sent out our letter, and 3 days later, Mr. Smith calls. He wants to tell us that he's going to send out a payment. The first thing we do is we call up Mr. Smith's record. Now we want to add an activity so that when the client logs in, the client will know that Mr. Smith has contacted us and he's indicated that a payment will be forthcoming. Let's do that now. We type in our notes and we click Add an Activity. Now when the client logs in, they'll know exactly what's happening on the file. Being true to his word, several days later, we received Mr. Smith's payment. Let's log that in now. Current ledger balance is $2,098, which is exactly what we've received. Zero balance due, and let's click on Add a Payment. We now have the option of either closing the case or leaving the case open as we've received payment in full. Let's go ahead and close the case. Obviously, this is the simplest matter scenario, but the process is equally streamlined for more complex collection scenarios as well. I thank you for your time, and we look forward to showing you all that CollectionsMasterPro can do.